Greetings everyone, JT here. Pay attention, because this isn't about a complex recipe with numerous ingredients. Today we are exploring healthier snack alternatives to satisfy those junk food cravings. You know, the ones that leave you feeling heavy and uncomfortable. We are discussing replacing processed foods with real, wholesome options that not only taste excellent, but also nourish your body properly. Let's begin. Kale chips, lightly seasoned and baked to a crisp perfection. Roasted chickpeas, crisp, rich in protein and bursting with flavor. Popcorn, air-popped of course with a hint of salt and butter. Vegetable chips, beets, carrots, and sweet potatoes, all meticulously baked to perfection. Fresh fruit, berries, apple slices, grapes, simple and absolutely delightful. Dried fruits such as unsweetened apricots, raisins, and dates are rich in natural sugars. Dark chocolate, opt for a modest portion, ensuring it contains a high percentage of cocoa. Greek yogurt with a light drizzle of honey, emphasizing probiotics and natural sweetness. Energy balls, imagine a blend of oats, nut butter, and a hint of honey, all crafted into ideal bites. Banana bread, by incorporating whole wheat flour and reducing sugar, this traditional delicacy becomes a healthier option. Homemade granola bars comprising oats, nuts, and dried fruits, they are ideal for convenient snacking. Frozen yogurt is a healthier alternative, with reduced fat content. You can prepare it at home using fresh fruits, offering a refreshing treat. Banana ice cream. Simply blend frozen bananas with a small amount of milk and enjoy. Fruit sorbet, a delightful blend of frozen fruits, both refreshing and naturally sweet. Infused water with lemon, cucumber, and berries, enhance your hydration experience. Herbal teas, naturally devoid of caffeine and rich in flavor. Coconut water, it is hydrating, low in calories, and naturally sweet. Smoothies, incorporate fresh fruits, vegetables, and a protein source. A complete meal in a glass. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds, are rich in beneficial fats. Edamame, steamed and lightly salted, an exceptional source of plant-based protein. So there you have it, everyone. It's time to stop settling for subpar snack choices. Opting for healthier options doesn't have to be a chore. These alternatives are rich in flavor and will genuinely nourish your body, rather than leaving you unsatisfied. Give these a try, and let's embrace healthier snacking together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.